Let's draw some cool panel cuts on the surface of the robot. To make the model a bit lighter, apply a decimate modifier. Turn on Dyntopo. Set it to constant detail, so it doesn't matter how close we are to the geometry. Increase the resolution, so the brush you use gets enough geometry. Use the Crease Brush with a small radius. Using the line stroke method, left click and drag the mouse, then let go to draw a crease. As you can see, because of Dyntopo, the creases automatically get more geometry. For curved or circular cuts, you can use the curve stroke method as explained in the previous video. To make it easier for your computer, you can hide geometry that you're not working on using box hide. To unhide, hold Ctrl and drag a box across the hidden geometry. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the panel cuts will make retopology easier and more fun.